Previously on Ghetto Love.
Joseph.
If it's a cancer, be true.
Careful, eh? You to be careful. You to be careful. Who here?
So, only me, Suban, we say, be a bit messy, dear. The Casa on Sabada, the women,
Try and come in.
Joe. Wagwan. Just how long will our person meet him? First, they'll be fear, eh? Me catch you say. So, who to swat them 1 minute, flab 1 10 the fear, 1 the ball.
Yes, him. Me show lines now on fire. If he did him, me the amount.
Check out who said get to or maybe I'm do back get to. Keep me nipano, me shut out. And also shut me. Keep baby a Juno. Keep me cast much of me jai. And you might get nature, mammy no. Keep me. Yeah. Between for Bonnie nigga no.
Yeah, the two me Saboneno. And oh, me you say, bra. Oh, yeah, for Nana. The way you been. The wood to me, you're the ebony. Yeah. The wood yellow. Oh, yeah, my gang is icy form. Hey, ye. What but you say, Elcon Bon, who feel it, yes, sir. It will feed your client. And I'm also my bag too. Now when the baby see, now yeah, listen to what with me. Yeah. So what ya? Get Nankasa, and you be in a few. I won't say yes. To what ya way.
Key Sagu. Tea. Sagu. Miss Srow. Shaki, Minam do back get to 1 pound. Key, you mean a dear be moon. And 2 if you say me, who can't get to walk a PC free wall. How many times in your commission to check any padu door? I have woo. Check any padu door, you quite take up my woman's armor back. And you can get to 1 a year, Fana. Get to 1 year, live upon your rear. Okay, we have a family. Your family. Get to 1 year, good, okay? Me no me no trans say you perceive free wall. Okay, Boame, na me wow. Minti fa boni nigga no. Okay. Ka no hwe mi nua ba ya no aba te sei. And the girl no hwe mi nua ba in school. Me ni ma lifestyle change. No me no na trans say nya kontu kura ibetu. Afri get to her. Remember, omo afri get to her. Ghetto living is not easy. See me abua no nya chance say okay. Boame na me mboa. Ke boame na me mboa. Help me, I help you. You are my brother. Tiasi ma me ka che odi yepa.
Me to ase. Na hwe betray a odi betray Amanda. E pani see ya wan pa no. Oh, because you be need to also. And you pan a doorso. So de me che no. Any you say bla be yes ambition. But you wouldn't like you, Amanda, dear, say you.
Okay, yeah, young men, dear. A choir, you be free get to war. And to find a woo so good and no be Jacob so I go the tonic.
Yeah.
Huh?
See,
when a war pa so ya. Obi jai no akoso agovetonic. Never obi any ho. Sheki mesra wo ye me nipa. Girl no pese oboa me jai enuma bebrede to me na so opapa companies. Okay? And fan say girl no boa me metimi de watu kwan. And fan say girl no me nya baby si for girl ni nchen a. Me metimi aboa wo. And fan say true girl no me no me no e betimi abaye oga. Okay. Help me, I help you.
Yeah. Me no far down for a chair. So what I say. And I'm also number to the wakani na matiasi. Na dia mwana I'll pay free me ho. I meet me here there. Get your bow.
Okay. And moi me pay free one me say. Ubeti me no a convince wo. Na eni me bi e koso bia, run down bia. E po bia wo mo bo bia no. Ubeti me ama me info no. Like bia na decision bi obe take bia because Van Damme, I don't trust Van Damme. A pobia Van Damme no need deal with intimate. A pobia Van Damme be bobia. Try so obeti me ama me ma swat. They are more free ho. Okay? Na po me do be to coin. Okay? Me do be to coin.
Yeah. Wakamati. You know say we are friends.
Yeah, I know.
And through you and the mommy who sang for nyina.
It's true.
So what can say same way ya? Many problem. They say we no banana that's you.
You're not different one. No one.
So me show me friends is
no, but I try say fat me lie no. Ma be any between me and you.
He said
we live together. Huh? I see you later. Okay. I see you later. Okay. Think about me.
All right. We'll meet.
That's right.
Amanda. Joseph dear was sissy penny break kwaso. Joseph was sissy penny break kwaso.
Ada, what's up? What's going on today?
And Sema Joseph ne can me my dad young man in Tiasi. Oba Jerry said Joseph will dress it. Oh no, ye. Me for my dream man. Not ye me make a piano. Jana do opposite ye piano. Me supporting the nye. Na empono and Sema ye be planning. Ewo camp one. Me manya day. En hu di eko. No nso hu de we obesi atutu na no. Amanda. And ya be fucking.
Wow.
And come on, me di no. Me a me teso ma no, ana me tie no. De wa ka kire me nyina, na me ka che no. Say Joseph aye na adwen say, ono de, ba bia waduru ne de wo konani. Ai won de me ba ye. No. Ba bia waduru no. Ye die kwa so no we de wasi. Ase me tiase amana. Me mani hu de ye plan wo campo bia na me de. Me kan kire no. No ye ya. Miss Mede me ye. Amanda. Joseph dear. O se prepare ni de ne faso. Anya sa. Ba me die dokro kwa.
Joseph. Chese jambe kwanya usana. Me nko fa de papa mbra na nyina entafre ho a wo yi mafiri.
See. Dina pasie.
No ne kire o say. De be plan bi abeka kire.
Ye kan ha nyina no. Ono be so kire say Van Damme no e fast. Ti bi bia ni Van Damme na e dey. E de be banchi me nye dey. Me tie de be bia. Na me ma no information.
I'm office all your joints is all no.
Joseph.
Wow.
You are pushing us to the wall.
Now I said, "Me Joseph walk on. I say, love, something. I'm fast. I'm going to I said, Joseph, person chere me streeter. My channel say me a gangster.
So Amanda, Jenny,
They never for street level.
you are shimmy for
No bagger wire.
Assassin, yes, he does over my yanas of my vandamay. I quay be fed and new man of that quay. I do bonny going to him. I do bonny going to him. I see how I see a scapa is Cadia Quazo. Walk one on him scaddy. Conna quite the brow, walk or cow, eh, duo.
Amanda. Tea they make an Amanda. Tea be sway. Amanda nyabutere. And I'm in a dawa who fell from me, you know. Were you in your line? No. Amanda tea. Tea me. Amanda tea. Nyabutere, Amanda. Mr. Pressure now would mammy no pressure need too much. Pressure need too much, Amanda. Minim, they also mean, minim. I meet you. Amanda. But Matthias, see beer. My beshan me boom and you go near Masu, Mr. Amanda. Nyabutere, mammy. Why? I mean, Amanda, pressure need too much. Sadly, you didn't. Aye. Nyabutere, mammy. Why? Amanda, Miss Row. Nyabutere, mammy. Why? Minim de me, Udi Nyabutere. Mati.
Me say elephant you.
Yeah.
Elephant me.
Yeah.
Hey, Hey, sorry. Obroni batanasi, obroni bra.
Oh, yeah. Ah,
Obroni batanasi. Mami tanasi.
Hey, Brony.
Hello.
Oh, you to move over. How near us?
You know how.
Yes,
Obroni afaba.
Let me line out there.
Usual na. Hala.
Please drink. Can't we go to a different place? Why must they be here though? Why do you like posh place? Sometimes there's all fast streets now. Who's in the streets and so street life and so zero. That's so street though.
Aba. Kami mau ni. Yo.
Hold on, here be
Kasa.
Besides, whatever I want to discuss, listen. Whatever I want to discuss, they call posh places and I was so to be better. But Hassan, get to oh, yeah, or more hanging upon them from Paddy, you know, be a TV. Put a shout to be there. Come on, Amanda, I am not comfortable. I know you are not sorry to be put to Manami and there. We are fashion mode.
Come and sit down. Hey,
listen, I want to discuss.
Abatino, sit down.
Be on your shade, just relax. Oh, you're okay. Oh, you're red now after fighting. See, whatever I want to discuss with you, It's very important. This is my door behind. I say, me can't be a chair or be any more better. Whatever is going on, I want to share. But you know I love you, and I'm your best friend. And she said, "Baby, possible. Baby, bonny, be possible. Abraboma, me she say, I didn't say answer. Because say, oh, I knew about it. You understand? It's about. Oh, challenge just I didn't come. It's about Joseph. Oh my God, concentrate on me. It's about Joseph. I don't know how you take it, but me powers him. See now, maybe can't say natural. Once I met Joseph, you're my old schoolmate. Me, I knew nothing about him. Me, I knew no crap. I told you that I knew nothing about him. I saw so name Suban. Come on, old school, right? But see, really, you know. Yeah, that about 3 days ago. No, many discussing about Joseph event. Yeah. Joseph being there, must say, woman. Joseph, I worry what matter you.
What are you talking about? Me nini pain and that sorry. What? Why ne beti me jana yirene ne maho? Ababede will be in chain for months, almost getting to a year. What be that, sister? I mean, I get say you want my best. You have my best interest at heart. But listen, I know this person. I have lived with this person. My name is I even sometimes pick his calls. Women are picking a call sometimes. I'm talking about Obion in an anti 4 years after school. Also, in the Zuba, but now 2-3 months, also in the Zuba. Master, Nipa, when you want to face them, who's on yet? How you know? No one's a bit me pretend 1 year because of something. Oh, please. What are you saying? Listen, me, woman, make a wasm. Me, dog. Say, baby, come on, I mean, to me, she said, and say, remember, Opa Pebe will not some more catch him. He urged me to help you and protect you. Me know be maybe she say nyoma basa enko so. Me na me di Joseph buy. But what I'm trying to say is Joseph onye nipa na me feel say oye na me nim say oye papa na me de ne bre wo. Simply because we old school friend aba. Abbe catcher so we yire ne ma. Na wonim so ahoye ani be ye nti obi betimi abese obi de ache. Na woman ahoye asese nipa no onim po say Joseph wo nchen wo fi ha. Onim Joseph mo hwe. We were only discussing and Joseph asemi ebem. Onim who was Joseph for Barbie say no because he be or jealous and I was so or say or you name or more kintam. You think I'm joking? So holy. Miss say Miss was so holy. Or say baby listen babe listen. Who is Joseph for cooking or Bob Bononia? Or yen your massy woo. I don't even get what you're saying right now. What will be a book cooking? How will betty me ada sorry for months our own baby that. Oh baby, met me up with Jumapa. Ever not as well. I know you always have cooking at a listen. Amanda, when I'm Muslim home Joseph, but you're and I said, oh yeah, you're doing too much, honestly. You're doing too much. I mean, you sorry. Give me a you're not sick. Hi there. Oh, Cecilia. Oh, send Embo too. I thought saying can't be over check her. Okay, then no, don't worry. I'll see you. I'll see you. Why? Yeah, my why? I love you too. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay, Joseph. Babe, Intino. Oh, there, your best opa yan kasa wa phone so what? Baby, yan kasa wa phone so what I say? But more than a friend. Me just said Joseph bedroom. What's on me? Frema, me know that.
Manda, this time I do bloody time. Because he be a champion. We be fresh, you know.
Segro. Mentega ni tiana.
Oh, Jimmy, got not one. I'm a boy. I'm an happy or chote. We are about ready for the ball.
Come on, fine.
I seen me branch me so.
Hi, thank you. So the last time I saw you standing here, maybe so what is going on? And then you wanted to say something. The next day, maybe so catch him say right?
Oh, baby.
Is there anything that you want to tell me that you're afraid to tell me that you feel I need to know?
We did not prepare any hope, but now a criminal problem dear. Aye.
Oh, here. Just have a question. Oh, your name?
Me. How, Debbie?
Umarida.
Debbie.
Listen. I sit now, no. I tell you what needs to be told. I let you see everything clear-colored. I don't hide anything from you. Is there anything that you want to tell me that you feel there is a need for me to know?
Me no tin has say. Say me wo girl na say me wo ayire ma. Anka wo hu.
And then means sure semenoti. Because the most dangerous thing is to live with someone I won't trust in. Said you would Jimmy Dino. Let me trust you. What did you want to tell me on that day?
Oh, no problem.
Okay, I'll see you.
Frema, are you okay? Wanna catch you?
Obi Onim was saying, said someone who knows you better than I do.
Amanda na.
Is Amanda supposed to know that you're married? Is Amanda supposed to know that you're married? Come here. Come here.
Madam!
Bruh. Joseph, fine.
Madam, I'm saying no appointee.
For a long time, are you there?
I don't know.
For friend of mine.
My friend, madam.
Me.
Sorry, madam.
Friend of mine says, yeah.
Oh, hello, babe. Okay.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, me should not flower no be some friend from me na.
The last time I'm by, and then 2 days. Maybe sound was so what you're woman. And then he said no. Emma will be sans a wine and catcher. Eba Monday, name boy. My friend Amanda bed 3 days in here, so 2 days in here. On pick me call. What is going on?
Next on Ghetto Love.
If there is something that you have done. Hello? Hello? What can you be?
Na boss dey by this time there.
Oh, yeah, there.
Madam. Oh, yeah, the Timmy Drama with you, Muna, say, ah, Amanda, you have Amanda. Missing about them telling you about 10 about 3.
Sisi apam no tram no. Sikano. Me mpebie. I need my man back. I need you back here in the ghetto.
I direct one day. Tell me know that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out from my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty, I don't know inspiration.